Hi, I'm Derek Hurd with Evolution Wheel, and today we're going to introduce you to the newest tire series from Evolution Wheel called the EWRS-AWP series. We're outside a manufacturing plant and we're happy to tell you all about it. Okay, so the first thing that you really need to look at in an AWP tire is tire and rim assembly weight. When engineers are designing AWP machines, they're using the tire and tire weight in their stability calculations for these machines. And they're using a foam-filled pneumatic equivalent tire weight. For example, on a 355 55 D625, you're looking at 440 pounds, and on a 12-16-5, they're using 300 pounds. So when we designed our EWRS-AWP series, we made sure that these tires were designed to those specific weights. Our tires are weighted properly so that they don't mess up with the stability triangle and the balance equations on these machines from new. Okay, so the next thing that we need to look at with this tire is our rubber compound and core geometry. You'll notice that we used our high capacity cores in this tire design. We also used a compound that was really designed for high load capacity. The tire is rated for 7,600 pounds. That's its rated operating capacity. Having said that, in engineering, we actually took and made sure that the tire and rim was designed to handle a 13,000 pound corner loading. Again, talking about stability with these machines, making sure that there's no rollover with the tire, and making sure that it's as safe as possible for the operator. Okay, so the next thing we really need to talk about with this tire is the tread pattern. This tread pattern was designed for anti-vibration. Basically what that means is it was designed to be symmetrical so that the tire's not pulling left and right as it's going and rolling. The other thing is it's designed to be a perfect rolling circle, and the treads are strategically placed on the face of the tire so that there's no gap or overlap, that you're not getting any chatter as you're driving on an improved surface. Really important to take in consideration those two things in a tread pattern like this in this application, because any kind of small vibration or small left and right movement down here is going to translate into a big effect at reach where there's a man in the bucket. Okay, so another feature that we really need to talk about with our EWRS-AWP series is the serviceability and repairability of the tire while it's still on the machine in the field. If damage was to happen to our tire, all you really need to do is just undo the two bolts on each side, pop the segment out, and put a new one in. Here's an example of a foam-filled pneumatic that normally would come on these machines. As you can see, there's tread damage in 3 places right here. And while this tire doesn't have sidewall damage, it's another common problem for these tires. If that was to happen on our tire, you could easily pull the segment out, put a new one in, and get back to work. It's really important that a tire is in good condition, especially in the new ANSI standard environment. If you've got inspectors on your job site, or if you have a rental fleet that's being inspected constantly, you know what I'm talking about. And that is everything you need to know about the new EWRS-AWP series from Evolution Wheel. I'm Derek Hurd. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.